Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, March 25th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. I haven't shot a video in a few days because I've been watching March Madness. I decided this year I was going to try to watch as many games as possible, and that's what I've been doing. And it's good. I like to take a break from, marketing once in a while and just have a few days where I don't have to worry about making a video or, doing anything like that. I've been sending out emails and keeping up with that end of it. I just decided to take a break from video making, focus on my artwork a little bit, and then watch some basketball. So that's what I've been doing. I hope you've been doing well. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly talk about Linktree and how I'm using it. I decided to use, I've always had a Linktree page, but I never really did anything with it. I had it on my Facebook profile down in the little column where you can add links. But I decided that I'm going to I'm going to have Join Russ go to my Linktree page now. All right, and I'll show you that in just a minute. And I'll show you why, because it's just so much easier having one link that you promote where people can find whatever it is you're talking about in a video instead of having your whole descriptions filled up with links or a Facebook post filled up with different links. It's just easier to share joinruss.com, have it go over to Linktree, and then have everything that I'm involved with as far as marketing and business goes in that one on that one page. Okay, so I'm sure you've heard of Linktree before. It's very popular. It's been around for a long time now. But it says everything you are in one simple link in bio. Join 40 million plus people using Linktree for their link in bio. One link to help you share everything you create, curate, and sell from your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Now, I'm just going to show you the pricing here and what you get for these different accounts, okay? Now you can start for free, all right, and obviously you can just put in a couple links there. Then there's a starter package for $5 a month. You get a 30-day free trial for the pro account, and then it's $9 a month. And there's a premium for $24 a month. Now I chose the pro account, and there's so much you can do with this. Okay, I mean the premium's good, but for the price difference and what you get over here, I'm not into exporting my data or having somebody that I can call on the phone and having my own business manager. I'm assuming this is for big time content creators or something like that, but I don't need those services. But I'm happy to pay $9 a month to show you what I get here. Now you get email collection, all right, and I'm going to show you all this on my page. So I can collect people's emails, I can collect people's phone numbers, I can embed my latest YouTube videos, latest tweets. There's animation backgrounds. There's music pre-saves. Right? You can do Pinterest link embeds, Clubhouse link app, Twitter embed Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube videos. I mean, there's so much things. You can do QR codes here, social media icons, unlimited links. All right, and then there's just all kinds of different things. You can do the Amazon Associate Program, which I chose to do, but you can also connect it with Commission Junction if you want to, or AWIN Affiliate Program. You can sell digital products. There's tip jars you can add. You can hide the Linktree logo. I don't know if they have a affiliate program. I'm not. There's no links down below here to join Linktree under me because I don't think that there's an affiliate program. I'm not doing that for this anyway. I'm just showing you what I'm doing to make it easier to have just one link. But there's so many different things you can do with this. So like one thing here in the premium account, you can do data export, and they have customer success manager and onboard call, exclusive content, but I don't need any of that stuff. All right. So now I'm just going to show you what my page looks like. So when you go to joinruss.com, it forwards over here to my Linktree. Now I have a subscribe button here where people can actually enter their email. All right, and then you just agree to my terms here, or the terms that are set by Linktree, and click subscribe so I can build an email list using this. It also shows my latest YouTube video. Now you can see this 5 days ago is the last video I made, March 20th. But that shows here, and people can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel just by clicking this button here. And then I have map, my multiple income funnel link, got backup, my lead gen secret, live good. Now, I don't really promote Live Good too much anymore, but I'm still a member of it, and I still use some of their products, and I still make money from the company. Then we have Great Life Worldwide, Leads Leap. This is a free digital recruiting boot camp. This is from my Marcus by Goldman Sachs. It's a high yield savings account. And then this is our soap company that we own, and this goes to my art page. And then, of course, down here are my social media links. We also have, or I also have, a store, which I'm working on, which I'm going to just add books from Amazon that I've read and that I recommend. All right, so if somebody clicks here, they'll be taken over to the book right here, and if somebody buys this, then I'll earn a commission through Amazon. So I like how it's set up. I like how easy it is. I like how everything is just on one page. Of course, you can change this background. You can change the colors and everything like that to, whatever you like. But this is what I do. This you can share. There's a button here that you can share here, with just a click of the mouse. So it's very simple to use. In my opinion, it's worth $9 a month. Then I can show you, let me log in here, and I can show you what you get. All right, you get analytics in the back office. All right, so this is where you would add your links. This is where you can add, if you want to add more products here from Amazon. Again, there's other platforms that you can connect to here to make commissions on. Then you have your appearance. There's all kinds of different templates, backgrounds, different buttons, different fonts that you can do. Then there's the analytics that they show you. You can see I've had 9.6K views, 1.9K clicks. I've got a 19.78% click-through rate, which is pretty great. I don't have any subscribers, but that's just because I added that option the other day. And I haven't made any revenue with my Amazon store yet, but that's also because I added that just the other day. But you can see it'll show you what where people are clicking. There's no subscriber information. I just added this, a few days ago. But you can see that people have come from my YouTube channel. Then Facebook is a big one. All right, so they show you all kinds of different analytics back here. And then, of course, you have your settings button where you can go in and change different things. Like add your social media icons. You can do SEO. You can do you can integrate this with different mailing lists like MailChimp, different affiliate programs that you can add in here. So it's pretty cool. Again, I think it's worth the $9 a month. It's nice to have everything under one platform, and I think it looks good. It's nice and clean and easy to read, and it doesn't get lost like if you were to have a website or something like that. So anyway, I just wanted to shoot a video about that. I highly recommend Linktree. I think, you can start with a free account, but I really do recommend the pro account. They give you 30 days for free, and then it's $9 a month, and it's just a great way to have one link, joinruss.com. It goes to all of my platforms, and it's just easier than having a whole bunch of different links all over the place. So that's it for this video. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate it very much. I also appreciate you taking time to watch my videos. I look forward to seeing you in my next one, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.